Hello everybody. Um, Today I'll be teaching you, actually I'll be introducing you to Eclipse integrated development environment for creating your Java applications. And this time this tutorial is going to be just introduction, so if you see some codes which is not very familiar to you, just don't panic, just follow it up, and hopefully you will find out and you will know more soon. So first of all, open up your Eclipse program, and when you open up your Eclipse, you'll have similar to this a window, and it's going to be empty, this canvas. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to create a project, and so we go to File, New, Java Project, and give your project a name, and we'll call this one tutorial, and next just leave it just empty here, just finish it up. And then after you create your Java tutorial project, you will have a folder like this, and when you right click on the plus sign, it will collapse it, and you will see the src, which stands for source, and this way you will be writing your source codes. So right click there, new Java class, I mean just not Java class but class, yeah, you right just click the class and give your class a name, and usually class names they start with capital letters, so I'll just show you how to write the helloWorld application. Well, it says application, well, yeah, and we'll click it finish. So what happened here now is that it did create a Java class inside our source container. So when you create one first your class, it will give you just two pieces of lines. One is your class name, and the next one is just a curly braces. What curly braces standing for there is that whatever code you write right now, it should go inside this code, inside this curly braces. So next following code, you don't really have to understand that part either. So what you have to know is that every Java class must have a main method. If you're running the program from that class must have a main method. Main method is out there so your program could run. So you'll be running your program always from your main method. So you must have a main method. Public static void main, and that's how you write your main method. You don't necessarily need to know what stands why is it there exactly right now. Well, I told you, but later on hopefully you will understand, and I'll explain to you in details what each of these stands for. So we have just created this two piece of line again ourselves, which is one is a main method, public static void main, and after that don't forget to put your another curly braces. Curly braces are there to indicate that whatever is inside those curly brackets is a block of code. It means this is one set of instructions, another curly braces, another set of instructions. It's just a block of codes. And so helloWorld program, and there are a lot of built-in functions and methods in Java, and one of them is print line that would print out some whatever you input or whatever you specify in your console. So system out print line helloWorld, just helloWorld, and every statement must finish with semicolon. So this is a statement telling the computer what to do, and you understand what statements for is. So every statement must have a curly braces, and I'll explain to you some other things what you need to have in order to follow the syntax of programming. But for now, this is saying systemd print line. It stands for print in a new line hello world. So let's try that, and we'll see the result soon. It's saying hello world as we did print out here. So the main purpose of this tutorial was to introduce you to Eclipse, how to, as long as you know how to create your new file and new project is good right now. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial.